Welcome to this installment in the XSitePro tutorial series. When dealing with lots of pages at once, the less you have to do manually, the better. In XSitePro, one really great way of cutting down your time on task is by using tokens. Tokens are extremely powerful placeholders for text strings or images. Let's see how they work. Say you're importing 100 articles into one of your sites. At the top of each article, I want it to read, "Article name here was originally published in MacMonger's Monthly, reprinted with permission." In these articles, each page's title contains the headline of the article. By inserting a token that represents the page title here in the text, the article name will automatically be inserted in place of the token when the page is created, rather than having to go clean up 100 pages after the fact. In a few seconds, you just saved yourself a few hours of work. Let's look at another example. This time in the multi-page creation wizard. That's right, you can also use tokens when creating a whole new set of pages. Say you're creating a series of product pages about similar models that are part of one product line. Now this product line has several attractive features, and you have one set of keywords for all these new pages that list the more prominent ones. What you want is a headline at the top of the page that says something like, "One of the best new features of whatever the product is," and then the feature. Not only can you use a token to dynamically take the model name from the page title, just like in our last example, but you can also pull in a random keyword for the feature. That way, all these very similar pages have the potential of scoring high for multiple keywords in the search engines. Now, let's modify the second token a little. Every token can be modified for case. Here we're going to use title case to make sure that the first letter is capitalized. I could go through the Insert Token menu on this, but there's a shorter way of doing it. We'll just insert a :T here. As you can see here in the menu, tokens can not only pull information from the current page, but also from the parent page, its website in general, or even its project. And there are a couple of other tokens of note. The date tokens will let you date stamp your new pages, and the random image token will let you select a folder full of images and will randomly insert one as each page is created or imported. The accompanying alt text is technically a token as well, letting you insert any of the first 3 keywords, a random one, or any other text string you specify. And you've got some additional border and alignment options to give you just the look you want. And here's an example of one of the resulting pages. Imagine dozens or even hundreds of these with keyword-rich headlines all ready for customization. Tokens take the time-saving features of page importing and multi-page creation even further by dynamically generating content you would have otherwise had to adjust by hand.